Today we are going to be learning how to make a customized Barbie bag. You would need a Barbie bag, piece of paper, silly tape, and color tape, a pencil, any color of marker that you like, and scissors. To start, you will want to put on your Barbie bag. Next, you want to measure it with your pencil. See how big it is. Only the bottom, not including the straps. Now I'm going to cut it out. Now flip it over and measure it up to your actual Barbie. Pretty much measures up. So now what you're going to do is, you're going to pick out your pattern. I would like to do llama, purple, that doesn't fit, llama, purple, and then the last one, I would like to do a leopard. You could choose any type of silly tape that you like. This is my pattern. Now, lift it up, turn it around, and trim off the edges. There. Now you have your design that you would like to do. And make sure you put this on some sturdier paper. Because when you lift it, it's a little bendy, but that doesn't matter. But if it's on thin paper, that may not work. So now that you have your pattern, now I would like for you to do is to put it on the bag. I will tape it onto the bag if it sticks. So let's take a piece of purple tape, peel it off, and trim it. So now put it on your bag. That looks better already. Then, on whichever part of tape that you're using, put it on that side. Flip it around. Now do it with the other. The reason why we have to tape on both sides is because we're going to do the same exact thing, but on the other side, and without these parts. So now we're going to measure and speed up the process. So we got it lined up with the bag. And now, if you want, you could follow the same pattern in this one. So I'm going to do speed up. Okay, I'm on my last piece of tape. And there. Trim it stick it and put on the last one. There. Peel it off and trim. There. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to put one side on, then put the other side on with these, and stick it around to the purple. So it's like holding it together. I'm going to be using this as a duffel bag. You could use it for whatever you want. But now, there's one more step to this. It's not over yet. So, if you want, you can fill the bottoms and the sides and this part. But that's exactly what we're going to be doing. And adding a heart to the middle. So, first, we are going to be cutting out a small piece of paper. Doesn't have to be that big. Just has to be big enough so you could do a heart. Cut out a heart. There. Kind of a bad heart. I'm going to redo that. Okay. So, that was kind of a funny heart. I'm going to redo that. There, a little better. So now, you're going to take your pink marker, or whatever color marker you have, and color. Now, you can just stick it on like that. It's coming off. Sorry, this might happen a few times. So I'm going to add another layer of purple tape to hold it together. Now cut it. And now I'm going to stick it again. Oops. Right, now it's a little tighter. So now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take one of my scrap pieces of tape. Let's see. And covering the heart in it. Now, go around the heart. And see, just a few more touches. Done. Might not be perfect. So now, wherever you want it, you can take some glitter glue. Sorry, I forgot to mention it in the materials that you'll need, but take some glitter glue and squirt it on the back. Be careful with your glitter glue. Make it all over the place. Now we're just going to plop it right on the front. Now, might want to let it dry before anything. But if you don't have glitter glue, you could use just regular glue. Now, if you do have glitter glue, and if you have different colors, then that's great, because this is definitely where it comes in. So, with your purple tape, this is for the straps. Want to cut it and put it over. Okay, I had to fix it up. But maybe the purple tape idea won't work. But what we can do with the glitter glue is that we could just put it on the straps. So, just to make it a little more sparkular. Sparkular, or I don't really know how to pronounce it. Alright, now that is your Barbie tote bag, or whatever you want to call it. See you next time. Bye.